Hello everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. My name is Misako Envela, and thank you so much for pressing play on today's video. Okay, I have avoided creating food-related what I eat in a day content because of my own complicated history with food and my relationship with it. I never want to make you feel like you have to change the way you eat based on my preferences, and I know how easily influenced I used to be by this type of content, and so I just have really avoided making it. But I know that being plant-based, vegan, vegetarian in Japan is a unique experience, and I think it's important for me to show how I'm doing it. This is going to be different from a typical what I eat in a day because this has been shot across multiple days. Because to be honest, I've been cooking at home a lot. Like, I really enjoy preparing my own meals, learning recipes. I also feel really comfortable eating the same thing. But I have been trying a lot of different vegan restaurants. I went to a vegan cooking class with Tomoko a couple days ago. So I'm going to show you a meal that I prepare at home, the meal that we prepared in Tomoko's cooking class, and a meal at a restaurant. I'm also going to show you where I grocery shop. Well, we'll get into that right now, actually. BOC Bon is where I shop every week. I like it because there are a lot of vegan, plant-based options. Everything in the store is organic. I'm not gonna lie, it is very expensive, but health and nutrition is something that I am deeply passionate about. I feel like if I wasn't doing YouTube, I would be doing something with health and nutrition, and maybe I still will. Okay, so this is my breakfast. I'm not going to be aesthetically pleasing, but it's honest. This is just some protein bread that I got from BOC Bon. There's 20.6 grams of protein in 2 slices. And I'm really trying to prioritize actually eating protein this time that I'm plant-based. I was very, very protein deficient before. And so I'm trying to get it in wherever I can. Cashew nut butter, I was really craving some type of nut butter. And my iron pills, highly recommend, again, for the anemic girls. This has vitamin C in it as well, so it helps with absorption. This is not vegan. There is liver in this, but it was recommended by my holistic doctor, and it really has helped. I take it twice a day, or take a pill, a supplement twice a day, and then some yellow kiwis. Typically for breakfast I'll have tofu with sauteed kale and an entire little avocado, but I've been craving toast with nut butter, and it's because I've been going to the cafes and getting the thick toast with the red bean paste, azuki, is that how I say it? But that has a lot of sugar, so I'm trying to find an alternative or something to satisfy that craving. I also forgot to mention, I hope there's not food in my teeth. I don't have a toaster here, so I just threw the bread into the pan to let it get a little crispy. I came over to the Koenji area because I want to try a new vegan restaurant. Not new here, but new to me. And someone made a comment about them finding it difficult to eat plant-based vegan when they were in Tokyo, and what I've come to learn is that it definitely takes a lot more preparation. Like before, when I got here and I was like dabbling in fish, I could just pop into any spot and I could get a meal. But I've had a couple instances here where I've showed up to vegan restaurants, and they're typically smaller restaurants, and they're either sold out for the day or they don't have space and they don't know when they're gonna have space again, so they don't, like I've been turned away. And I have a Japanese eSIM, but for some reason I can't make phone calls. Like it always says call failed, so I'm sort of just showing up to restaurants and hoping that they have space for me. I still need to figure out what the Japanese version of Open Table is, because I know that some of these places, like there's a way to reserve a table online. I just have not figured it out yet. So fingers crossed that this restaurant has space for me. Oh wow.
And then push, 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 and then close on the top. Like that.
Yeah, I definitely didn't do it right.
Beautiful.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This tea was really good.
So we need to keep this culture to next generation.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So this is very invent, because people do this in a container, ceramic container at home.
Mm-hmm.
But since they make it in a bag, easier to take care.
I see.
If I do this, I forget. Mix it every day. This is you have to mix it every day by hand.
Okay.
By hand.
It's almost like a dough. What do that rice is?